What is up, you guys? It's RJ. EXO is back again with their second pre-release, Hear Me Out. I'm very interested to see what this is going to be like. The teaser pictures were really giving me like kpop. It looked like, you know, they were in the middle of a field, really colorful clothes, colorful hair. Everyone looks so good. I got duped on Twitter because I don't know if you don't follow me on Twitter, but I was reposting all of their teaser photos, but someone made like a fan edit of Lay, and it looked like the same kind of images, and I like freaked out, retweeted it, and someone was nice enough to tell me that it was a fake, and I was very upset. But it's nice to see that Kai is in this music video because I didn't think he would be. I thought he was only going to be in Let Me In, and then that was it. So that's a nice surprise. So let's get into it. Okay, hear me out. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, hell yeah. Already. Dio! Oh, this vibe. Dio. Hello. Oh. Sitting home playing with Legos. Channel singing. Oh. I can't handle this, y'all. Wow. Chen. Oh, EXO ad-libs, harmonies. Oh, okay. I love the clap. Daniel, you're so... I love Suho's sweater. Oh, the vocals. Woo. No, I don't want it to be over with. Oh, wow. Oh, that logo is way... Actually, I really like that logo. That maybe needs to be the album cover. I'm gonna watch this one more time for the lyrics, as well as I just want to see them again. So, let's go.
1, 2,
I love this song.
3.
Wait, I didn't even talk about the song. I'm sorry. Oh, this image though. Look at Shumin. The song is so EXO. This is the exact kind of vibe I would have expected from them. I didn't know what kind of like sound we were gonna get with it being like much, I don't know, lighter. In the teaser images were kind of giving like a little bit of a lighter concept. So I kind of felt like we were gonna go somewhere in this direction, but I love that the song was exactly almost kind of like the R&B, happy R&B flow that I figured we were gonna get from them. They do that sound so well. Their vocals were absolutely beautiful. The harmonies and the ad-libs, just everyone almost kind of singing in a very low tone as well, which was very, very nice to hear. Chanyeol is, let's go. It's almost making me think of like an earlier decade. There's something in the production. Dio! This. I cannot wait for the reality show.
Baby, I can't help it. 날 밀어내려 네 시도는 just save it. Cause I've been thinking about some time with you. 넌 아직도 이 모든 게 시작일 뿐. 바라는 것은 전혀 없어, my baby.
He's cooking and cleaning and washing clothes. Chanyeol is that kind of guy. Suho, your entire look and voice. What are they playing, FIFA? What is that? Hi, your voice. Ooh. Shumin is too pretty. I love the choreo they're doing and like with each other here. How do you look so pretty sleeping? How cool. The lyrics are so pretty, actually. Yo! With the swag! I just want to pinch Sehun's cheeks. Or just poke him. Suho! The way he ends this song like that is just so like sexy, honestly. This is so sick. I kind of want it. Like if they had like a 3D version of that, like to actually have like as a light. Could you imagine that as a light? Like this one in the back? Yeah, that was absolutely beautiful. Super chill. I can't wait to listen to that later as soon as I finish this video. I mean, yeah, that was great. I can't wait for the album, actually. I'm so excited. I just love seeing them all together. I just love seeing them in general, in any way that I can. Like any of the EXO ladders, arcades. Like I said, I cannot wait for this reality show that's coming out with them. I'm so excited. And with this album, I'm assuming they're probably going to want to tour, but I don't know if they're gonna wait until Kai comes back. I don't know. I don't know anything. I have to be there. it's like a must. I must go. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.